Hi everyone, here we've got Nokia 3.4 and let me share with you how to manage camera sounds, so how to turn on or off the shutter sound. So firstly, let's enter the camera app and let me take a photo and check if we've got this option turned on or off. So let's tap on it. And I hope that you could hear that we've got a small blink, so it means that we've got this option turned on. If you don't like this sound and if you'd like to turn it off, all you have to do is simply enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. And as you can see, actually on the very first position, we've got shutter sound. So right now, as said, it is active, so just tap on it. And if the switcher looks like it, then it means that it is turned off. So now we can go back to the camera. Okay, and check, and let me tap on the shutter button, and you have to trust me that I cannot hear actually anything, so it means that we successfully turned off the shutter sound. So actually that's all. This is how to manage the camera sounds in your Nokia 3.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.